Chapter 6. Air. Let's learn what is air, properties of air pressure. Air is a precious resource that most of us take for granted. It supplies us with oxygen, which is essential for us to live. Without it, we would die within minutes. Air is always around us. We cannot see it because air is colorless, but we can feel it as it blows and cools our bodies. What is air? Air makes up the Earth's atmosphere. The air we breathe contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% argon, and 0.03% carbon dioxide, along with water vapor. Air also contains tiny bits of dust, pollen grains from plants, and other solid particles. As our atmosphere extends higher and higher above the Earth towards outer space, the air becomes thinner and the combination of gases in the air changes. Info Hive. The unit of measuring air pressure is millibar, and the device used for its measurement is known as barometer. Properties of air. Air occupies space. Air is present all around us. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. Have you seen the wind moving the leaves on a tree? That is moving air. We can feel it on our skin. Have you seen a sailing boat moving across the water? The air pushes it. We also put air inside our lungs when we breathe in. We push air out when we breathe out. If air is invisible, does it take up space? Is it really made of anything? Let's do these experiments to see if air takes up space. Fill a fish tank or any other large container about 2/3 with water. Invert a drinking glass and push it into the water, trapping air inside the glass. We can easily observe the trapped air inside the inverted glass. Now, slightly tip the glass to allow a bubble of air to escape and float to the surface of the water. The air bubbles prove there is air that has volume within the glass. The air, as it moves out of the glass, is replaced by water. This proves that air takes up space. Compressed air. Air can also be squeezed into a very small space, such as a balloon. If we blow a balloon, it fills up with air and expands. The more air we force into it, the more is the air inside the balloon squeezed into a very small space. This is called compressed air. Compressed air is a popular form of power because it is clean, easy to use, and easy to transport. To see how a hand pump works, look no further than a simple bicycle pump, which takes air and pumps it into a bike tire when a person repeatedly pushes a hand or foot pedal. When the pedal is compressed, air enters the pump through an intake and is pushed into the bike tire via a plunger within the pump casing. Once the air has entered the tire, it technically has become compressed air, and as more air enters the tire, it results in higher air pressure within the volume of the tire. Air has weight. Air has weight due to gravity. Gravity affects everything that has mass. Air has mass, so gravity pulls it towards the ground. But weight in air is very small. That is why it cannot be felt by ordinary senses. Let us know how air has weight. Info Hive. Breathing is difficult on high peaks because the air pressure is low and oxygen present in the air is less than that at sea level. Materials. 2 balloons of equal size, 3 pieces of string at least 6 inches long, a wooden ruler, a small needle. Procedure. Inflate the 2 balloons until they are equal in size and tie them off. Attach a piece of string to each balloon. Then attach the other end of each of the strings to the opposite ends of the ruler. Keep the balloons at the same distance from the end of the ruler. The balloons will now be able to dangle below the ruler. Tie the 3rd string to the middle of the ruler and hang it from the edge of a table or support rod. Adjust the middle string until you find the balance point where the ruler is parallel to the floor. Once the apparatus is completed, the experiment can begin. Puncture one of the balloons with the needle or any other sharp object and observe the results. The balloon that remains full of air will cause the ruler to tip, showing that the air has weight. The empty balloon's air escapes into the surrounding room and is no longer contained within the balloon. The compressed air in the balloon has a greater weight than the surrounding air. While the weight itself cannot be measured in this way, the experiment gives indirect evidence that air has mass. Air pressure. Air pressure varies over time and from place to place. If we travel up a mountain or go up in a hot air balloon, the air pressure gets less. Air pressure also varies over time, and these differences are usually caused by the varying temperature of the air. Warm air is lighter than cold air and therefore rises above it. Areas of high pressure can be caused when cold air is sinking and pressing on the ground. At this time, the weather is usually dry and clear. In contrast, when warm air rises, it causes a region of low pressure. With low pressure, the weather is often wet and cloudy. Changes in air pressure bring changes in the weather and make winds blow. Air usually moves from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure, and this produces winds. This can be easily remembered with the phrase, winds blow from high to low. Air carries sound and smell. When we listen to our favorite songs or music, the sound of music reaches our ears through the air. Air brings sound waves to our ears. They enter our ears and strike our eardrums, allowing us to hear the music. We can smell the tasty dishes when food items are made in the kitchen, or the fragrance of jasmine, or even the foul smell that comes from the dustbin. This smell reaches our nose through the air we breathe in. Air can produce sound. The vibration of some devices, such as a wire, drum, or reed, creates musical sounds. Sometimes moving air can be made to vibrate at certain frequencies. If you tie a string or wire tightly between 2 points, you can start vibrating it by plucking or tapping it. The vibration creates compression waves in the air, resulting in sound according to the frequency of the waves. Musical instruments that use vibrating wires to produce sound include the guitar, violin, piano, etc. Instruments using vibrating air columns include the harmonium, flute, trumpet, etc. Recap. Air makes the Earth's atmosphere. Air can also be squeezed into a very small space, such as a balloon. Air has weight due to gravity. Air pressure varies over time and from place to place. The different smells reach our nose through the air we breathe in. The vibration of some devices, such as wire, drum, or reed, creates music.